Hey, baby. You still by your girl?
If it ever come a point in time where you have to choose between me and another female, choose her. Choose her. Choose her.
Study me, yeah, we mad like Maccabee. Pose like sheep, and I wait till I drop asleep. Fear or breathe, you get down like Macachi. We paranoid, stay up like coffee tea. We never left the 17 shooter. Can't take no risk with the youth, yeah. Flat in the gas, them a creep up. No hugs, no, so we no know enough.
Cock it. Sideways. Now say the line.
Run your shit, bitch! Like that?
That's why I love you.
My mind did for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know.
Cool. Like, are we in agreement?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I have to go.
What the heck is A, B, C, D, E, F, G mean?
It's just a phrase I like to use. That means
Is that a real phrase?
the conversation is over.
City, give me the key. I be like, send me the Addy. Hop out the push with a baddie. She got a nice face and a fatty. Do what I say like I'm daddy.
Baby, it's my man for me, doing what he can for me. You can catch him every day, making me happy. And he's mine. Woo! And
I'm not going to stop calling you. I'm not going to stop calling you. You put your dick in my chest. You think I'm finna stop calling you? I'm not going to stop calling you. You crazy as hell. You might as well change your number tonight.